everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in our giveaway this month, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you turn your post notifications on, and if you are located in the US, then go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. So for today's tutorial, I used the Colourpop Disney collaboration, and I used the palette Midnight Masquerade, and I honestly fell in love with the color selection in this palette just because I feel like you can really dress it up or dress it down. So this is what it looks like on the inside. The first shade that I went in with is the shade Damsel, which is like a muted pink shade. It's kind of like a cool undertone, and I put that in my crease going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. Next I went into the shade Gaston, and I took a defined angled brush, and this is almost like a red deeper shade, and I put that in my crease a little bit above my actual crease just to really frame the eye. And don't worry, we're going to blend this line out. I went back into the shade Damsel and I blended it out going in back and forth motions with a fluffier brush. Next I went into the shade Quasimodo and I grabbed a defined angled brush once again, and Quasimodo is kind of like a brown shade, and I put that in my crease a little bit above my actual crease, exactly where I placed the previous eyeshadow, and I wanted to really add depth. And yeah, I feel like using a defined angled brush is just going to help you with the most precise placement of the eyeshadow, especially when you're working with darker eyeshadows. And I picked up a fluffy brush and I went back into the shade Damsel just to really blend that line out, because even though we want it to be really defined, we still want it to be blended. Then I went back into the shade Quasimodo and I grabbed a flat shader brush. I did not use the angled brush that you see. I used a flatter brush and I just packed that shade all over my eyelid. I wanted to go for a lot more of a smoky look. And then I decided to add some wing liner. I used my Urban Decay Perversion liquid liner and I created a wing. Next I went in with lashes. The lashes that I went in with are the Sophie Bella lashes, and for those of you guys that don't know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand, and the style that I went in with is Barbados. I will always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lashes. We appreciate you guys so much for placing your orders and supporting us, and we can't thank you guys enough. I went in with a black pencil in my waterline, and then I went back into the shade Damsel and I started to apply that to my lower lash line, going in back and forth motions just to really smoke out the lower lash line exactly how our crease is smoked out. I want my lower lash to mirror that. And then I went into Quasimodo once again and I grabbed a flat defined brush and I put that really close to my lash line. And then I believe I went back into Damsel just to blend everything out. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. You casting